How to hide likes on Instagram posts. Now, let's say you no longer want people or you yourself to see if an Instagram post has gathered likes on your feed. Now, in order for you to hide the like count of your Instagram post, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner. Now, once we're here, all we have to do is to scroll down and locate one of your posts. Let's say this one. Now, in order for me to hide the like count of this specific Instagram post, all I have to do is to tap on these three dots on the upper corner right here. Now, if you click on hide like count, the likes of this specific Instagram post won't be visible to any people, including yourself. You can also archive this post if you don't want them to see this specific post on your feed. So in order for you to hide the likes of an Instagram post, all you have to do is to tap on hide like count right here. And now the likes of this specific post is hidden from everyone else. So that's how to hide likes on Instagram posts. Hope we help.